7/25/2020. I've got the monthly chart on the bellwether Google. And here we go. We called that top reversal along with all the tech stocks. And we did sell up there at the high. And you know what? We got those put options up there when we did hit the high on the weekly. Just to let you know, the 1590s paid real well. And we came slamming down to the lows on Friday. Nonetheless, this is the monthly readings right now. And, it's been a great run. Let's take a look at the weekly earnings preview. Google reporting earnings. Here is the top that paid all the money on the put side when we sold everything. Yes, we sold out of all of those tech stocks and that easy money, but now we got earnings coming up. One of two things are going to happen in this great move. Trade alert, Google, Google, Google. On the weekly, it is still very strong on the weekly pullback. 1450 would be the 10-week support level. Let me tell everybody what will happen. And it will happen like this, okay? As an expert in this earnings season with it coming down, one of the things I want to do is flip over to the daily. Let me tell you something. We did hit a key moving average on a daily for the short term. And it's very important moving average because they're all important. And this one is important because it's the 20-day. Yeah, we're below the 10-day. Yes, we did call the top. Yes, we had sellers move in. Yes, it reports earnings this week. Yes, we are going to be buying dips. Yes, it has a daily sell signal and it hasn't had one. It's barely one, only minus 1.666. But nonetheless, on a daily level, we're getting down to areas where you buy the dips. Now, during the volatility earnings report after the close, hey, everything can happen. Anything can happen. But going into the earnings report is how you make the money. If they want to run it up, and we're masters at earnings, and we know, by the way this is setting up, that they could run this straight right up going into the earnings report. If that's the case, we're going to be buying the calls right away. We know how to trade earnings season. We know how they work. We know all their gimmicks. We know all their tricks. We know it all. But we will take that trade based on how it works and how it's always worked. Ways that you don't know. Get into the live trading room. Get set up now. Let's get you rolling. Let's get you in here. Because if you don't, you're going to miss the move anyway. So let's be smart together and get you in the live trading room. You can believe what you see. They're going to report quarterly earnings. I'm putting out major trade setups with our market makers. We are the leading market maker firm. This is not a day trading retail classes that don't work for none of you anyway. Otherwise, you wouldn't be watching the video. Now, let's get real together and let's make money. And let's get you set up with a real trading account with real direct access trading to the floor. Put you on the real playing field. You don't have that right now. And you don't. And when you see it, when you see what I'm talking about, you'll change before I even say the word change. So, let it be known right now on this very day that we just want to make sure that things are put in perspective on how Google trades on Monday going into the earnings and how you make money. Now, the day that it reports earnings, depending on where Google is trading at, and it does have that daily sell signal for the first time, and it did hit that support level, but it could break down if the markets want to continue to break down. We've already called and sold all of our tech stocks. These are earnings plays. That's exactly what these are, and that's exactly what this is about, and it's exactly what you don't know about. But now it's time that you get to know about it all. Right now, today, it's in your field. Free 5-day trial. 702-685-0772. Let it be known, We are going to be trading Google either to the call side or to the put side. If they sell it down going into the earnings, then we're going to be buying the dips. It doesn't matter. We will be updating it daily in the live trading room, and we will make a big money. We always do. We have the proof on every Google trade we've ever done live. We can do it in front of your face. Other people cannot do that in front of your face. We can. Let us show you. Let you see it. Let you witness it. Let you enjoy it. Let you take advantage of it. Let you start now.